Today is Zoo Day! I am so excited!
I want to see the lions!
Good morning, my little explorers.
Big day ahead.
We need snacks for later.
Can we feed the monkeys?
No, buddy. Only zoo food.
I want cookies! Aw, one.
We'll get some at the zoo.
Do I look like a princess?
The cutest one.
I look like a safari leader.
Ready, team? Say zoo!
Perfect memory.
Let's go!
Wait for me!
Everyone ready?
Adventure begins now.
How far is the zoo?
20 minutes.
That's too long.
Let's sing a song.
We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. We're going to the zoo, zoo, zoo.
I see it!
The zoo, the zoo! So exciting!
Stay close.
Hold hands. Okay, Mommy.
This is the best day ever!
It's just beginning.
Let's explore. Here are our tickets.
Thank you.
Where should we go first?
Let's check the map. I want to see big animals.
Follow me.
Wow, the giraffe is so tall.
It is eating leaves.
Giraffes have very long necks.
That's amazing! Look, the elephant is spraying water.
It looks happy.
The monkeys are so funny.
They love to climb.
That monkey made a silly face.
It is making us laugh.
He is so big.
Don't worry, we are safe.
The tiger has beautiful stripes.
Yes, it does.
The zebras are running fast.
They love open space.
It's so cool.
The penguins are swimming.
They look cute.
That penguin is shaking water off.
So funny.
The panda is eating bamboo.
It looks sleepy. It is dark in here.
This is the reptile house.
That snake is long.
Stay calm and watch carefully.
The parrot has many colors.
It is very beautiful.
Butterflies are flying around us.
It feels magical.
Here you go.
I want ice cream.
Okay, one each.
You got it.
This tastes so good.
Enjoy it slowly. Let's take another photo.
Big smiles.
I can see everything from here.
I am leaving. The goat feels soft.
Be gentle.
The goat is funny.
It likes attention.
Ethan, walk slowly.
Okay. Look at the balloons.
Stay with us.
Keep walking, everyone.
Mommy? Daddy? Where are you?
I feel scared.
Where is Lily?
She was right here.
Excuse me, we lost our daughter.
We will help you. Copy that, base. All clear in the primate section. On my way to the rhino enclosure now. Over and out. Hello, little one. Are you okay?
I am looking for my parents.
Lily! Thank goodness.
I am sorry.
It's okay. We found you.
We were worried about you.
I was scared.
Always stay close to us.
I promise.
The sunset is beautiful.
Watch the sea lion. The sea lion is jumping. It splashed water.
The zoo looks tiny from here.
Time to go home.
Today was special.
Yes, it was.
Can we come again?
Of course.
We are home.
Yay!
Welcome home.
I had the best day.
We're glad, sweetie.
It was amazing.
Tell us everything. Let's keep these photos safe.
This is a beautiful memory.
My stuffed giraffe is tall like the real one.
Good night, my sweet children.